guys have bugged me for months, attacking me on my live, attacking us on the One Size Beauty account. We listen and we do not judge. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting news. You guys have asked for it, and it is backed by popular demand. One size, and I present to you Stage White Powder Foundation. You guys have bugged me for months, attacking me on my live, attacking us on the One Size Beauty account. We listen and we do not judge. This is for all my drag queens. This is for all my goth girlies out there. This is for my fair and light, well, actually all the skin shade range, because if you want this pop under the eye, do you guys see what my under eyes are giving? It's because of Stage White. Let me just tell you, who better than to represent this Stage White than with our fabulous face of the Stage White campaign than the one, the only, the queen of nightlife herself, Amanda Lepore. You guys, if you guys didn't see the vlog, check it out. She is fabulous. She really gave it her all, body, face, everything, and it was just my utmost honor to have her in this campaign. She is literally a living doll. We also turned her into a real life doll, and we had such a fabulous time at the shoot. This product was not in our original lineup of our 32 colors when we launched the Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation in 2021. I quickly just added this as a sample for my drag queens out there that wanted this bright white under eye, and then it became a thing. We ordered a little bit. It sold freaking out every time I would use this. Everyone loves this. I think this is an essential in everybody's pro makeup artist kit, but if you love the glam, the full beat, or if you want to have a white matte highlighter, everything, I'm gonna get into it with the product details, but it's such an honor to be back with Stage White, a product that I believe in. So if you guys are new to the channel, hi, I'm PatrickStarrr. I'm the founder of One Size Beauty. Let me tell you, makeup is a one size fits all with this product. This is a powder foundation that you can use as a matte highlighter. I know a lot of us are very used to the shimmery highlighters for your eyes or for your cheekbones, just to give that shimmery look, but I am using this as a matte highlighter to really bring out the features that I would like. So I love using it either with a puff to get that really full coverage impact, or you can turn up the base slightly with a kitten paw type of brush. This one right here, we launched one similar to this with our Disney collab and collection, but this one is the Sigma Skin Perfector brush, the F67, and it is a cat paw brush, and I love this to fit right under the eye. And you can also use other brushes for your lid or for the inner corner, but how I love to use it is using this type of kitten paw brush, using this to highlight under the eye to give that brightened effect under the eye, also a little bit in between my brows right above, just like RuPaul does it. I learned that from Matthew Anderson. And also an exclamation point down the nose. I learned this from Roxy Andrews. On the lip, that's a makeup artist secret. Oh, don't forget the brow bone and also the chin. You can brighten literally any skin tone. It just depends on how much you use it. And it's giving, like, if you know, you know, for your artistry, how to bump up the levels. So I literally use this all the freaking time. You probably can't really tell, but let's say you use too much. I just want to shout that out. Let's say you use too much. You can take your face powder, take it on the brush and kind of tone it down, but it's not going to look insanely like cruddy, and it won't crumble because there is rice silk powder in this. When I tell you this is the same exact formula as our iconic powder foundation, which won Best Powder Foundation in Essence and by Allure magazine in 2021, this is that same exact formula but in white, and it's called Stage White. Now, if you're an oily girl too, this really absorbs the oil over the day, which is what I really love about this powder too. So if you are in performance and you are in theater and you want to have that face snatched and bright, this product is for you. You guys can grab it exclusively online at Sephora.com or onesizebeauty.com, or dare I say TikTok if we still have it, but check out the links down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much to everyone that has brought this powder back. It's because of you we have products like this at One Size that you believe in and that I believe in. Don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.